Marcus from Derivative. There's Greg from Derivative. It's my boss. We've got Isabel, also from Derivative. Harry Through from Obscura Digital. And we've got Dimitri from the Sierra.
Sheila Sveta.
Joining us, and we'll be leading you through the workshop basically. It would be nice if we could go around maybe and see who you are, and if you could tell us what you have done so far, if you have worked with the software or not, or general introduction basically. That would be great, and I guess we'll just start right here.
My name is Philip. I'm from Belgrade. I work a little bit in TouchDesigner, like audio, video, live.
Nice.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I came from Switzerland, but I'm born in Poland. And I'm an architect, but in free time I make visualization, comparing with audio and 3D mapping with the buildings. And this is the reason why I would like to learn more software, comparing this two different music and visualization, make something more.
Hi, I'm David and I'm from Italy. I teach in the university. I'm teaching information processing and something like creative coding in the Academy of Fine Arts of Urbino and at the University of Isia of Urbino. I'm quite a totally noob in TouchDesigner, but I can code something in processing or parts composing, so I hope to be slowly much done.
Hello, I'm Massimo. I come from Rome. Basically, I am 4D. I use 4D, but I switched to TouchDesigner, and I'm just released to work with TouchDesigner. And that's it. I have a little company of in interactive design in Rome.
My name is Claudio. I come from Italy, Rome, and I work for a television company, and I'm using TouchDesign since 1 month because we worked for a festival for television, so we started to use from scratch basically. I'd like to improve the part of the reaction mapping. The scope of...
Hi, I'm Matteo. I'm a freelance, media freelance, and I like audiovisual. And nowadays I use Modulate, and I'm interested to see what this program could do.
Italy. Turin.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm an architect, and I operate a studio of architecture and experience design based in Beirut. But I'm half Lebanese, half Romanian, so I'm also come from Bucharest. And we do also some projection mapping projects. So we are new to the whole TouchDesigner hype, and we're trying to see how to incorporate it in our workflow and use the real-time effect and make our projects more interactive using the software.
So hi, I'm Maxim. I'm a freelance of visual effects with Houdini. So I do a lot of procedural things, but not in real time. And I want to do this kind of project in real time for more interactive stuff. But I'm more used to work on commercial or films.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm from Chicago. Kind of delving into the design and creative side of coding for the first time. I've been a business software developer for over 7 years. So I'm interested in TouchDesigner because I really like live music visualizations. It's a big thing I'm into, so I want to see what I can do with it.
Hello everybody, I'm Igor, I'm from Belgrade. My day job is head of digital production in one marketing agency downtown. So we do a lot of different stuff, but never with TouchDesign, so I have no clue what it is. except I know how it should work. And my night job, I'm a DJ and I also produce techno, so this is kind of something that will make me think a bit about more coding.
Hi, I'm Maya. I'm an architecture student from Belgrade. I'm interested in this because we started doing some VJing last year and video mapping, and I'm just interested in how the program works, but I never worked something like that.
Hi, I'm Sienna. I'm also an architecture student, and I've done all these things with her. So that's basically it. I was interested in this because I wanted to learn some more, and it's going to be fun, I hope.